Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to properly set up LAN and Wi-Fi on a router with OpenWRT. This video will cover where to find the firmware for your router, how to set up LAN and Wi-Fi connections with SSID and encryption, how to change your password and use SSH, and how to set up custom DNS with some recommended addresses and NTP or time protocol. This video will not cover the specifics on flashing your router. Anyways, with that said, let's get started. To download the correct firmware for your router, see the link in the Related Tech Network forum. Once you're there, type the model and or brand and hit enter. If you see your model, click on the link below Firmware OpenWRT Install URL. Then proceed to flash your router. Please double check before you do this, since choosing an incorrect version might brick your device. Once you are done flashing your device, it's time to set it up. Head to your router's gateway. It is 192.168.1.1 by default. When you first log in, you will see a message stating to change your password. We will do this later. Head to Network, then Interfaces. Select Edit on the LAN interface. Here, change the IPv4 to something other than 192.168.1.something. I recommend using 192.168.10.1. Before you click Apply Changes, you might want to change your DNS. I recommend using either 8.8.8.8 and 8.8.4.4 or 1.1.1.1. This will be all that is needed. We'll now have to log in with 192.168.10.1 or whatever other IPv4 address you chose. Hit save and apply. You may say that it will try to roll back because it reached the 30-second timer. This is because the client can no longer communicate with the router since the IP has changed. Wait till you can see an option to ignore and confirm unchecked. Now go to 192.168.10.1 or the IP you chose. To change your NTP, go to System, then System, check the two boxes, delete the other servers, and enter your desired ones. I recommend time.google.com. Here you can also change your host name to whatever you choose. Click on Save and Apply. Now go to System, then Administration. Here you can set the password to access your router. Note, this is your network's password. It's what you will use to change settings and login. Choose the port you want to use SSH in. Then click Save and Apply. Now go to Network, then Wireless. Click on the one with the SSID called OpenWRT. Select Edit and fill out your information, like SSID, encryption, etc. On interface configuration, look for Network. Make sure LAN is selected, then click Save and Apply. Anyways, that should have both your LAN and Wi-Fi up and running. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comment section down below, and I will be doing my best to answer them. Hit like if you enjoyed the video, subscribe and turn on notifications to never miss an upload, and tune in for the next video. Be sure to see the article on this on relatedtechnetwork.com. Thank you.